Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Sephora Play Box for June 2019. So I'm not sure. I think they have variations. Don't they have variations now in the Sephora Play Box? Sorry, this is what it looks like when you first open it. I guess I should have showed you that. It does come with a card with 50 Beauty Insider points, and then it has the bag in it as well. Let me see if the card maybe has a variation. I'm not sure. I know that they started doing variations. I don't really see it. Oh, it looks like it says B on the bottom corner, the letter B. I don't know. Anyway, this has all of the products listed on it that I did get in my bag this month. So let's go ahead and dig in. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull this out. So this is from Diva Curl, which I'm excited to actually get this. This is a Leave-In Decadence Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. That is what it looks like. Okay. So on the paper, it says that this is the bonus item. Typically, Sephora Play does send like 5 items and then a bonus. It's usually a perfume bottle or a little tiny perfume spritzer, and sometimes they'll put hair care products in it. So I'm really happy that I got this actually this month because I don't really like to wear perfume. Anyway. So this is the bonus from Diva Curl. It's the Leave-In Decadence Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. While you're getting some R&R, your hair can keep working. This leave-in formula is perfect for strengthening, protecting, and conditioning strands. Need to know brand. Evenly distribute throughout wet hair from root to tip, and then finish styling. There's no need to rinse out. And it said it was chosen for my hair type. So that's cool. Oh, the theme this month is Destination Beauty. I don't think I said that. It says it on this side too. So, all right, that is cool. I'm really happy to have this and to be able to give that a try. All right, pulling the next item out. So this is something that I'm happy to get, but I've gotten several times, at least 4 or 5 times so far. And I think every time I get it, it's from the Sephora Play bag. So anyway, this is what it looks like. It is the Belief Aqua Bomb. Again, it is a good product. This is something I really appreciate getting because this size especially is something that I can take while traveling. And this is the gel formula. They also have a cream formula. I have more oily skin, especially in the summer. During the winter it gets drier, but in the summer it gets oily. So I do prefer to have the Aqua Bomb, the gel rather than the cream. So this is from Belief. It's the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Cannonball into hydration with an ultra lightweight, antioxidant rich moisturizer that feels like a pool party for your face. How to use. Apply a quarter size amount morning and night or throughout the day as needed. Bonus tip. Use it as a 10-minute emergency moisture mask. Yep. Alright, so again, I'm not upset to get this. I'm a little disappointed just because we've gotten it so many times before. But I am about to head out on vacation for a few weeks, and then I've got another vacation. It's a family reunion kind of thing later in the summer. So this will definitely come in handy, especially as we're doing, you know, the vacation time and all that stuff. So, alright, next up. I'm going to pull this next item out because I'll tell you in a second. So this is from Sephora. All right, so this is the All Day Hydrator, Hydrate and Glow. Let's see if I can get it opened. It's just a little box. I'm going to pull the little tube out of the box. All right, so this is what it looks like. Okay. So this is from the Sephora collection. It's All Day Hydrator, Hydrate and Glow. Heading out for a spur-of-the-moment trip? Make sure you at least pack the essentials, like this weightless daily moisturizer that delivers a natural glow. Get the ingredients: hyaluronic acid, which helps with water retention to prevent dehydration, vitamins E and C, which increase radiance and nurture skin, and glycerin, which moisturizes like a pro. So, and it is doesn't have a safety seal. I'm a little disappointed because I literally got two moisturizers. Ooh, that has like a floral scent to it. Yeah. So I'm a little bit disappointed there in the fact that I got 2 moisturizers. I don't know. You know, If you're putting the Belief Moisture Bomb or Aqua Bomb in, why would you put the Sephora hydrating product in? I don't know. That's just me. All right, back into the box. Let's go ahead and pull out this item right here. All right, so this is from Laneige. It is the Lip Sleeping Mask in this flavor scent vanilla. I'm actually really excited to get this. Okay. And the reason I'm so excited to get this, honestly, is because I love the sleeping mask. I have it in the original scent. I actually have a mini like this in my purse, and then I also have a full size in my bathroom downstairs. Ooh, that smells good. And I purposely did not put any lipstick on because I wanted to put some of this on right now because I don't have any of the flavors other than the original. So it's not an overpowering smell. It's just a very light hint of scent. I actually like that, I think, better than the original. So this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Vanilla. When holidaying, use any excuse to sleep in a little longer. For instance, my overnight lip mask needs more time to moisturize. Wake me up in an hour. Need to know brand. A leader in the K-beauty scene for more than 20 years, Laneige steps up their skincare with hydroionized mineral water that delivers intense moisturization. So that I'm actually really excited to have. I actually like this better than the original scent, like I said. It's just a very hint of vanilla. It's not super strong, which I appreciate. So this one might end up going in my purse and taking the other mini of the original scent out. We'll see. All right, next up, we've got this here. This is Mochi Glow from Kaja. Here's the box. Then I'll pull it out of the box and let you see what the internal packaging looks like. Okay. This is a brand I have not tried yet. It is just a little cream colored pot. Oh, that's so cute. It's just a little tiny highlighter. And it even has a mirror. It even has a little mirror. All right, I'm going to swatch it on my hand. Super, super soft, by the way. And then I'm going to actually put this on because I skipped highlighter as well. All right, so there it is on my hand. Not sure if the camera's picking that up very well, but there it is. All right, I'm going to try to use my brush and see how it works with the brush. I might just have to end up putting it on with my finger. We'll see. That's pretty. I'm going to put more on, actually. This is one of those highlighters that you can have it be very subtle, or you can build it up. At least that's what it's looking like. I have never tried anything from Kaja. I think that's super pretty. Yeah, I like that. I'm happy to get this. Absolutely. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and read you from the paper. Okay, so this is the Kaja Mochi Glow Bouncy Highlighter in the shade Toy Alien. Who doesn't get a little cheeky on vacay, especially when you're wearing a white gold highlighter that delivers a glow on the go? How to use. Get radiance in record time, swirl your fingertips over the cream to powder formula, then highlight cheekbones, cupid's bow, and along the brow bone. I guess I could have put it along my brow bone too. But that's okay, and I like using the brush. I feel like I got a better application using the brush. Okay, let me go ahead. I'm going to put on lipstick real quick before I do the last item. All right, so I put on this Becca. I actually just got this in the mail. This is the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love in the shade Yours Truly, which is one of the shades that was in the Chloe and Malika collaboration. It's a pretty shade, and I do like these lipsticks. I actually picked up a couple from the Chloe and Malika collaboration because they were on sale, and I picked up one that was not part of that collaboration as well. All right, the last item in my little bag here is from Stila. It's the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black. And I actually looked through my collection to see if I could find my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Black. And I couldn't find it anywhere. I found another one that was this size that I haven't opened yet, but I couldn't find like a full size anywhere. So I don't know if maybe I just dreamt that I had one before or what, but we're going to go ahead and put this one on today because I don't have the other one that I thought I had. So, ooh, wow. Okay, maybe that's why. Okay, so this is actually a felt tip. You guys can see that. And it's getting a little bit, it's actually feathering just slightly on my hand. All right, we're gonna go ahead and try this on. I'm not a huge fan of felt tip eyeliners, but I'm gonna try it on anyway. This is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Jet Black. There's a fine line between a wing and a cat eye. That's why this marker-like tip is a stroke of genius. How to use. Natural. Start in the middle of the lash line and work your way out. Wing. Place tip on outside corner and work in, then connect to lash line. Cat eye. Like the wing, but go ham. So, all right. That is all my products. I'm going to go ahead and put the card aside for just a moment, and I'm going to try to put this on. I'm going to speed it up because it's probably going to take me a million years. It just transferred when I opened my eye. That stinks. It's fine though. I'm going to take my makeup off once I'm done filming, so. All right, does anybody else have an eyelid that jumps? Am I the only person out there that has a jumpy eyelid? I have a very jumpy eyelid. And I did, like I said, I got it transferring on this eye. I got a couple of smudges on there. I even got it transferring on this eye. So I'm really not good at liquid liner. That's the truth. That is the truth. All right. Everything in my box this month. I got the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, which I'm very happy with. The eyeliner, which I'm not very good at eyeliner. The highlighter, which I'm very excited about. And then the two moisturizers, which I'm about. And the bonus item, which I'm actually more excited about this than like the Sephora moisturizer, to be honest with you. So, that is my Sephora Play Box for June 2019. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. Let me know if you guys prefer brush tip applicators or felt tip applicators. It seems like you're either one or the other, never both. It just seems like everybody's in camp brush tip or camp felt tip, and there's no crossing over. Originally I thought I liked the felt tip better, but the more I've tried to use liquid eyeliner, probably my favorite is to get like a pot gel liner with a brush and actually use that because I feel like I have the most control using a brush, or a brush tip applicator. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!